Welcome back to Harmony Haven. If your heart still feels shattered, this one's for you. Healing isn't about forgetting what happened. It's about learning to live again, even when the pieces don't fit the same way. You won't wake up healed one morning, but you will wake up lighter. The pain will soften. The memories will sting less. And one day, you'll smile without forcing it. Rebuilding your heart means trusting again. Not in others, but in yourself. In your strength. In your ability to rise after breaking. So today, take one small step. Breathe, move, believe. Because healing isn't a destination. It's a daily choice. Next, on Harmony Haven, we'll talk about learning to love again. Not them, but you. You may have lost them, but you're finding yourself.